Said she.
Good morning, YouTube. What it is on this beautiful Saturday, rainy morning. Oh man, I know I was gonna give y'all the video Friday with the exhaust installed. So the place that I went to, pretty much he wanted to do one part of the job and not do the full set. And so, like I said, I'll just go wait patiently, which it paid off. Also, because one, my package came. Told y'all I had more mods coming for this car. So with that being said, we are on our way today to get the exhaust done today. Like I said, I got the 2 Cherry Bomb Xtreme mufflers, so we're going to get those put on. Also, when I said I had another mod coming, check this out, YouTube. Yes, sir. Like Hemi Life 44 say, shout out Hemi Life. Like Hemi Life say, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not only did I get 1, 2. You know what I'm saying? V6, it's our year, baby. This is our year for V6. I understand y'all V8s, man. Y'all, you know, y'all doing y'all thing out there. I ain't taking nothing from y'all V8s, man. I love y'all to death. I ain't taking nothing from y'all. You know what I mean? Y'all V8 sound beautiful, man. Trust me. I had a 392 Scat Pack pull up on me yesterday, man, wanting to race. I mean, it sounded beautiful, man. I don't know what he had up under there, but it sounded real good. Like I said, I ain't taking nothing from y'all, because I'm coming spring with a 392. Like I said, I still don't know yet whether I'm going to do the Challenger or the Charger. The Challengers, I love the body style, like I said in the last videos, but also I love the Chargers. For some reason, y'all comment below, let me know why the Chargers sound so much louder than the Challengers. But that's coming this spring or midsummer, so I'm pushing for that. Am I gonna keep Thanos? Y'all tell me, should I keep Thanos or trade Thanos in for it? But yeah, right now I'm headed up here to Gastonia to get these mufflers and these quad tips put on. And once I get them put on and installed, I'm gonna go try to find a place where I can do a couple pulls, revs, let y'all hear how it sound. I'm gonna do video in 2 sounds. I'm gonna do one off the my Samsung Note 10, and I'm gonna do one also in the GoPro 7. So give y'all a kind of different feel of what the sounds really sound like. I know the sounds are very different on YouTube, but this is the very first 2019 Dodge Challenger GT with the Xtreme bombs on them. I haven't seen any videos on them yet, so I want to make sure this is the first one. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Subscribe, like, comment. Y'all gonna hear me say that a lot this year in 2020. Subscribe, like, comment, because the more y'all subscribe, the more y'all like, the more videos I do. If you be honest, I'm actually taking a day off of work to get this done. So but I am getting paid for it. But yeah, I'm taking a day off work to get this done for y'all. Because like I said, I know some of y'all was asking, you know, when I'm going to get the muffler deleted and the resonators deleted. So I am doing a mid-muffler delete and resonator delete straight pipe with the quad tips. So with that said, I'll see y'all shortly once I get there. Because I'm about a 20-25 minute drive. But yeah, I'll give y'all also, like I said, I'm going to give y'all some video inside of what, you know, the drone is and stuff like that. Look here, I don't care too much about that drone stuff, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, the drone too loud, this and that. If you're playing your radio, man, you ain't gotta worry about that, you know. You're doing a mod to your car. Also, man, take note, V6 lovers, man, I mean, y'all, we know what we got. We know what we capable of. A lot of cars, like I said, was built, hell, the new Porsche 911, the new Porsche 911 is a V6. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's the Porsche 911. GT is a V6. So I mean, don't get it twisted, man. You know, like I say, everybody can't go out there and afford that V8. But like I said, I have been talking to my dealer where I bought Thanos from. over at State Line. Y'all, this road real bumpy. Y'all gotta forgive me if the camera look like it's jumping, but the road's bumpy. But yeah, with that said though, man, us V6s, man, we like to play, man. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's for cosmetics, you know. Cosmetics look good, sound good, and stuff like that. But us V6s, man, we got a lot going on also. The same way y'all V8s got a lot going on. And hell, y'all, to be honest, a lot of y'all V8s, them V10s and V12s laughing at y'all. Oh, look at that. So either way you look at it, it's a trickle-down effect. You know what I'm saying? So with that said, I'm headed up here to Buddy's Garage. I'll give y'all the info and the subscription down low. But don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment button. Also, I got more videos coming of me and Tawana and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like working out, meal prep, stuff like all kind of stuff, man. Like I said, we got a lot of stuff coming this 2020. Y'all just got to make sure y'all hit that comment, subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. It ain't that hard. You know, understand what I'm saying? I know taking, you know, a second out of your day just to hit a button, but I mean, it is what it is. But like I say, in order for me to get this content going, I need for y'all to do that for me, man. Just hit that subscribe button. And yeah, so once I get there, I'll give y'all video. All right, people, so I'm trying to give y'all some good content, man. Kind of busy up here. So, right, like I said, I'm up here at Buddy's Mufflers, getting some work done, the Thanos and stuff, you know, mid mufflers, delete quad tip, straight pipe all the way out. So yeah, whenever y'all get that chance, come check them out. Buddy's Mufflers. Buddy's Mufflers, again, Buddy's Mufflers up here at Gastonia. I'm gonna give y'all that link in the description. So make sure y'all come out and check them out. Check them out, that's Dustin, right there with the hat on. Come check them out. That's the one in the middle. Come check them out up here at Buddy's Mufflers. There's the number. Buddy's Mufflers, exhaust. Bro, they do the best work, bro. Everybody comes here from Charlotte to Gastonia to Concord. Everybody comes here to get their stuff done. So make sure y'all come check them out. Like I said, I'm sorry about the content, man. It's kind of drizzling a little bit. I didn't expect what to be doing all this. So y'all stay tuned.
Did you see the horsepower challenge that Dodge did?
Which one?
They did it. It was basically like over 5 weeks in between Christmas and Thanksgiving. They had a question, and it was like if you answered all 5 questions, you won a red eye. And it had the Hellcat with the antlers and stuff on it.
Yeah, that one's the yellow key, the other one's the blue key.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
Alright, gonna give y'all a couple rails on the 2019. Alright, YouTube, I'm back again. Just left Buddy's Mufflers. So, the drone on the inside, I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sounds like inside. You know, with the windows up. Just a slight drone, but you know, I can deal with that. Got a lot of crackles, I tell you that. I fired it up, a lot of crackles. But yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here, this little area. I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sounds. So this is the first pull on it. You know, it's not as much of a drone that everybody makes it out to be. You know, oh, this, that. The drone sounds good. I'm satisfied with the Cherry Bomb Xtremes. I'm gonna roll the windows down, let y'all hear what it sounds like. I don't know if y'all can really hear that much. But yeah. Just give me one sec. Let y'all hear what it really is. But yeah, so like I said, I did go with the Cherry Bomb. The Cherry Bomb Xtremes. I love them. You know, so far so good. No complaints. Very reasonable. I did the quad tips also. So I'm gonna once I get settled, get back to Charlotte, I'm gonna do a walk around, Thanos, you know, crump. And then also, I can't wait to do a cold start on this thing. Let y'all really hear what it sounds like. Waves. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a nice little cold start on it, so y'all can hear what it sounds like, you know, with a cold start. And then I'm gonna also do a couple more things. Oh Lord, I don't know where I'm at. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. But like I said, man, I got some more content coming for y'all, man. So y'all, you know, it's some things going on. You know, a lot of folks want to know, you know, man, I can't afford that, man. I can't afford that. Let me tell y'all something. Y'all ain't got to go out and buy the old expensive Flowmasters. If you can't afford it, you know what I'm saying? Amazon. You go Amazon, you can get them on Amazon, dirt cheap. Like I say, me personally, I paid, what, $39 for my mufflers, my two mufflers. $39 a piece for them, so that's what, about $80 a piece for two mufflers. I got the receipt to show y'all that they ain't charged me nothing but $150 to get them in. $150. Zoom in, camera. $150, man, to get them installed. So there it is. You know. Comment below. Let me know. You know what y'all think. What y'all want to see, what would y'all like to see, you know, stuff like that. And stay tuned. I got some more videos coming. I'm gonna do a couple rips, couple pulls, stuff like that. Let y'all, you know, get a better understanding of this video. So this is the video I know a lot of y'all been waiting to see. Okay, once you see, I have the dual quads put on. I did 2 Cherry Bomb Xtreme mid mufflers, and I deleted the resonators and straight piped it from the mid mufflers. The 2 quad tips are by Upower. They kind of dirty right now, y'all. It's been raining all day. I'm sorry, Thanos dirty, but yeah. So I see a big difference in acceleration. Like I say, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all that warm start. I can't give y'all a cold start yet, but I'll give y'all one of those shortly. But this is just a basic warm start. Waking. So I've given you 2 videos, one for the GoPro, and I got one on the Note. So I'll be displaying both of those videos, let y'all hear the differences in them. Also, I want to give y'all a few revs. Let's see what it sounds like. One second. have it. 2019 Black Dodge GT Challenger. Like I said, the first ever 2019 Dodge Challenger GT that y'all will see in here. If you haven't clicked the link below, go ahead and click on it, subscribe, capture the car. I do have more mods coming. Like I say, there's a wicker bell coming also, and there is also a rear diffuser that's coming also. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, that like. Please comment down below, tell me what y'all think.